Your class A's are just typical or different classes. Oh my God, I can't do this. How can be? How do I say this? Okay, let me do it. Let me draw it like a pie. Networks, different networks. TV salesmen, like they need their own network. But I'm just throwing an example out there. This is typically your network right there, and this is just what class you're in. There's different classes. I'm probably saying it wrong. Yes, I am saying it wrong. Okay, so circle equals host. And then this, I just said it wrong again. Scratch. Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can erase that. There we go. Yeah, I did everything wrong. Y'all can't even see this, can you?